Hey guys, and welcome to our flight report with Turkish Airlines 777 in the business class from Sao Paulo to Buenos Aires. At Sao Paulo Airport, Turkish Airlines allows to visit the Star Alliance Lounge. The lounge is located in Terminal 3, second floor. Turkish Airlines doesn't operate an own lounge at this airport. To be honest, the Star Alliance Lounge is okay. It offers a little buffet, hot and cold beverages, but no champagne. However, the espresso was very good. Boarding started approximately 30 minutes prior to departure, and it was too late. Because this flight is a so-called fifth freedom flight, some passengers from Istanbul are waiting on board. The fifth freedom allows an airline to carry revenue traffic between foreign countries as a part of services connecting the airline's own country. It is the right to carry passengers from one's own country to a second country and from that country to a third country. I was welcomed by the cabin manager at the door, who pointed out my seat. The configuration of the cabin is a 2-3-2, which means that there is one seat in the middle which doesn't have direct aisle access. It's similar to Emirates 777 Business Class. My video review is linked in the video description. The seat is quite comfortable with plenty of legroom and an ottoman. They are soft and comfortable, and the individual part of the seat can be controlled for maximum comfort. And sure, it can turn into a full flat bed and becomes one with the ottoman for maximum length. Before takeoff, no welcome drink was offered because we are already too late. Warm towels and menus were distributed, and the flight attendant...
Check drink with your meal, please.
Can I have a champagne?
Champagne.
Yeah.
took our pre-meal drink orders. There was no sky chef on this short flight. Each seat is equipped with a personal in-flight entertainment system, USB port, universal electrical outlet, and 2 personal reading lamps. Seats controlled are located in the center armrest. This is also where the remote control is located. The in-flight entertainment system was fairly intuitive and easy to use. The movies were available in German language too, but I was too busy for watching a film. There is a manual privacy divider between the seats, but aisle seat passengers are virtually exposed to all the surrounding passengers. Wi-Fi was provided free of charge for business class passengers. On this flight it worked very well. Shortly after takeoff, the dinner service kicked off and my welcome drink champagne was served.
Cheers!
One of the aspects that sets Turkish Airlines Business Class apart from their competitors on a 3-hour flight is their catering and food presentation. Unlike other airlines, Turkish Airlines serve a true 3-course meal and treats their meal service as a presentation of their hospitality. After the main service, the dessert cart was rolled around with a choice of sweet pleasures. It was perfectly presented and I gave a coffee a go.
More champagne?
Oh yes, please. Good idea. Thank you.
There was no vanity kit on this short flight. I asked about it and got one for the business and the economy class. Inside the amenity kit you'll find eye shades, earplugs, socks, a dental kit, shoehorn, comb, brush and a lotion and lip balm. The amenity kit for the economy class contains almost the same except of the shoehorn and the lotion. According to Seat Guru, this seat provides 22 inches, which means 55 cm of width, and 78 inches, which means 198 cm of pitch. Overall, I had another great short-haul experience flying Turkish Airlines Business Class. The food quality is outstanding for 3 hours flight. The service impressed me greatly, and sure, the seats aren't the best. They lack privacy and direct aisle access for passengers, but I much prefer these seats over some seat products from other airlines like Thai Airways. But despite the configuration, I think Turkish Airlines is probably the best European airline. What do you guys think of Turkish Airlines Business Class? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.